Hello everyone, this is Tina Tysam and this is the Prompt and Explore series, now in video form with voiceover. To start off, what is this? What am I doing? I love making educational content and I spend a lot of time exploring and figuring things out. The first thing I did was try to build a conceptual framework by looking at a lot of people's prompts to divide a prompt into different blocks. It starts with image inputs and medium and technical terms, main idea, the style and genre terms, and lastly, functions and versions. So I call them functions, but I know the MidJourney themselves in the documentation calls them parameters. A prompt can be incredibly simple, and my prompts are often just the main idea to start off with. Other times they're more complicated and you can put a lot of building blocks together. For me, that is often an iterative process. This is Tina Tysam. See you next time.